Now the topic that we are going to study today is reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun contains the word self or selves when plural. These pronouns are used to refer to the subject of the sentence. Now words which contain self or selves within them, they are reflexive pronouns, and these pronouns refer to the subject of the sentence. Subject of the sentence means the person or the object about which we are talking. Words like himself, herself, itself, myself, yourself, themselves, and ourselves. As you can see, these words contain self and selves in them, so these are reflexive pronouns. See here, some examples are given. I can do my homework myself. Now, I is the subject of the sentence, and myself is the reflexive pronoun here, because myself refers to the subject of the sentence, that is I. Now you should try to do your homework yourself. Now the subject of the sentence is you, and yourself refers to the subject of the sentence, that is you. Now we should not depend on others to help us with our homework. We should do the task ourselves. Now we is the subject here, and ourselves refer to the subject of the sentence, that is we. So ourselves is a reflexive pronoun. Now each personal pronoun has its own reflexive form. See here, reflexive form of I is myself, reflexive form of we, ourselves. You when used in singular sense, so yourself. You when used in plural sense, yourselves. He, himself, she, herself, it, itself, they, themselves. Now another pronoun for which there is a reflexive form is one. The reflexive form of one is oneself. For example, one should always be true to oneself. Oneself is the reflexive form of the pronoun one. You cannot use himself or herself here. You can only use oneself here. Why? Because the subject is one. So reflexive form of one is oneself. That's why we have used oneself. Now reflexive pronouns are used in two main situations. The first situation we have already discussed, right, to refer to the subject of the sentence. Now second situation is when we want to emphasize the subject. For example, I'll do it myself. Here I am emphasizing, I am putting stress on the subject, that I will do it myself, and nobody else is going to help me in doing that. So here I am emphasizing that I will do it all by myself. So that's why whenever we want to put stress on the subject, whenever we want to emphasize the subject, we use reflexive pronouns.